morning, all you plumbers out there. Today's plumbing adventure on this January 25th day, got one of my sup buddies who has a second home, and he came down yesterday, turned his water on that he shuts off, and guess what? Broken water main. So we're on our way there to make an assessment and to hopefully make a quick repair. And today's going to be a short day. Going to see Mom. Mom's in the hospital. And hopefully this is a quick hitter. I was actually going to surf beforehand, but no waves, so it actually takes the pressure off, because I want to leave for Philly by 12 p.m. to go see Mom. And let's see what we got here today. According to Chris, one of my fellow clowns, he thinks it's 1 or 2 breaks. So the heat was on to the house, but it must have just got hit with the wind. Let's get her done. We're here, and of course we're early, so let's see if we can wake somebody up here. You know I'm early.
Welcome to the disaster zone.
What we got? Good morning. Oh, we got a little something here. All right.
Well,
it's full of water. What the hell?
Yeah, that just always pools.
All right. Yeah, it's low back here. But how fun is this?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, here we go. Of course it's going to be a headache. It's all wet. I need mud, I need boots, I need electric, I need lights. Let's go survey the situation under here. Yeah. Alright. We're just going to guess what we need. I guess it's 3/4 Pro Press. It's full of water. I gotta put the boots on. But I'm going to break just the 3/4 stuff. Hopefully, get lucky. Some 90s, some couplings. Alright, we'll go with that for now. I need some gloves. I'm cold. I need some keys. I'm locked out. Bust out my handy spare fire boots. By Globe. By snow boot, plumbing boot. So you want to be a plumber. Oh, lordy. Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey, at least I got them right. Thank you, AC. They're my spares.
Would have just popped that little drain, it probably wouldn't have happened, right?
What drain's that?
Like right next to that spigot to your head, there's one of those little screw off.
This here?
This guy right here, there's that little nozzle right there, that little...
Oh, where's it broke at?
I don't know where it broke, because I didn't look, but...
What do you think? How fun's plumbing?
Hell, plumbing is great. It beats accounting.
Alright. I'll tell you what, here's what we'll do. We're going to turn the water on. You think it's broke below this valve here?
I think it's broke somewhere. I wonder if it's up in here.
All right.
I wonder if it's under.
Oh, yeah, I see water right here. All right. So here we are. We're having fun. This is a real clown moment. There we go.
Yeah, I'm the idiot clown that caused it. Oh, man. Oh.
Okay.
It is still, I see it running.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Here it is, right here. Boom.
Yeah. So if I would have opened that one up to let the water out with this, it probably never would have happened.
Yeah,
I just didn't know
you're
that
never
was
gonna
there.
come. I mean, unless you shut off for weeks.
I know, we usually get here, like even in the winter, we're usually every couple
your
of weeks.
problem was that window. Is that open like that too? You got to close them up and wear, dude.
All right,
That's a wind tunnel, man.
all right.
See, we're solving problems today. All right, here's
You
what we're
have to
gonna do.
figure out how to do that in the winter. What do you think, pieces of wood or?
No, what I would do is get some insulation.
Uh-huh. Oh, all right.
You know, just every spring, just cover that hole,
Yeah,
right? That one there, I would maybe make something, a piece of plywood,
right.
and that's what happened here, dude.
All right.
I hope this is the only break you got. But you said the heat was on?
Yeah, the heat's on in the house. It keeps it at 60.
Okay, all right, let's just get these.
See, now you're getting like, this is idiot homeowner 101.
This is what makes plumbing so fun.
I'm embarrassed.
Oh, dude, this ain't nothing, man. I mean, I wish the best here, but there's been houses that are just, dude, whole house is crushed.
Did you see Susan's mom's house got a leak in it? I think in Margate.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. So she's living with them, I think, right now.
Wow, that sucks.
Oh, that is so cool.
I actually forgot the pipe. There it is. Boom. Hopefully that's it.
Yeah.
Alright. I just can't. I'm just going to throw my back. Alright. Let's investigate. Make sure we got no more breaks. Alright, let me get a piece of pipe while he's doing that. I need a piece 10. Oh yeah. I'll come over. I'll be hungry for the whole day if I don't get it done.
know,
Oh,
I
thank
know.
you. There we go. At least I ain't gotta crawl. Alright, baby. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Woo! How was your holidays, man? It was good. How about you? Same thing, man. I'm in the middle of basketball, like with my schedule, the firehouse, and with the kid, my son playing basketball and working. It's been crazy, man. Like the weeks are just flying by, like insane.
What year is your son?
He's a junior. I'll tell you what, Chris, we're gonna be ready in 2 minutes, bro. What I'll do is I'll shut this water off. Matter of fact, we should do that right now.
What's that?
Once you go out, I have the water off here now.
Oh, okay, so turn it on.
This way we can operate from here.
All right.
And that'll tell us if we got brakes below the valve. If you hear me screaming, shut her down.
Got it.
Come on now. Two slip couplings. I ain't got my glasses, but I don't like the way this looks. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut it. One more time. Huh. How about if he's 12 and not 10? It's on?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. All right, good. We're good here then. That's good news. All right, baby. Oops. Okay. Make sure I got that right. Okay. Of course I forgot my glasses.
Is that compression?
This is Pro Press, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is ridiculous.
This is the this is sweet, you know. Hopefully all my batteries are charged. No way. Oh. I didn't like that.
That is amazing.
There we go. Hopefully there's no other brakes.
Let's go.
Yeah. You got this off already, right?
I think that one's off. I'm not, but not yet.
You have, what do you have open upstairs? Cause guess,
I don't think anything.
guess what, we're good. That's it.
Are you serious?
That's it, one brake.
Oh my god. So if I insulate those holes, and then now I know if we're ever going to be gone for an extended point of time, I could turn off the water at the street and then pop that little guy off over there to drain the last of the water.
But it's only gonna drain to here. You know what I mean?
Right.
I mean, you could actually put a main valve in your house and you got to keep coming under here.
Right.
You know, it's something you could think about. But I'll tell you what, if you close the holes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
So for now, just pack insulation
Oh,
in
yeah.
there, and then
Pack
in
it
the
in there.
spring I'll build
Yes.
like wooden things to do more
Yeah.
permanent job.
Yeah, because you want them open in the spring for air. You know what I mean?
Oh my god, I cannot believe that.
All right, brother. Let's make sure. Tell you what, go turn your. You have your hot water heater on?
No, not yet. Do you want me to turn
I mean-
that on?
Yeah, make sure there's no brakes in the hot. Or no, turn something hot on.
and we'll make sure.
All right?
Yep.
And then we're gonna call it a wrap, I hope. Should I check your hose bib while I'm sitting here? You're good, bro. Happy birthday. Open vent, wind tunnel. Open big vent, super wind tunnel. Plumber's dream. A little bit of pooling water here. It's so low here, the ground. The water table's super high here, so that's why we got all this water in the crawl space. Good old Brigantine. All right, let's wrap it up. There it is, the culprit. Whose fault is it?
This guy, the homeowner. This is why I shouldn't be left in charge of anything.
That's right. The wife is in charge from now on. Today's plumbing tip of the day. A little late on January 25th, but it's never too late, is to cover all your outside air vents for the winter. No bueno. They're only supposed to be open in the spring, and that's what caused the freeze up. So he's all set, and you know what we like to say, and there goes another satisfied customer. Have a good day, everybody.